Imagine a job where you literally save someone's day without leaving your bed. Yes, it exists. It's real. And the wild part, your entire role is simply reminding people to take their medications on time, and there is no fixed schedule. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this job works, who hires for it, and how you can do it from home. Welcome back to the channel. If you love real simple work from home roles that don't require phones ringing non-stop, then today's video is going to feel like a hidden treasure. This is one of the most calming remote tasks in the care support world, and yet most people don't even know it exists. So sit tight, because by the end of this video, you will know what medication reminder jobs actually involve, what kind of people this job helps, the companies that offer this role, and the truth nobody tells you about working flexible support jobs from home. This video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before applying to any job out there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, subscribe if you're new, and comment first timer so I can welcome you to the family. Let's get started. Let's start with the big question. What exactly is a medication reminder assistant? In simple terms, you're the calm, reliable voice or message that helps someone remember to take their prescription at the right time. No diagnosing, no medical decisions, nothing complicated. Think of it like being someone's accountability partner, but for their daily health routine. The magic of this job is that it doesn't demand a fixed schedule. You can choose when you are available, because the reminders can be set up as phone calls, text messages, app-based check-ins, or recorded reminders, depending on the platform. You're not giving medical advice, you are not handling emergencies, you are simply providing friendly, supportive reminders. Let me tell you something most people don't know. A huge number of elderly people, busy professionals, or people recovering from illness completely forget when to take their medication. Not because they don't care, life just gets chaotic. And when they forget, it affects everything. That's why companies created this role. They realized that sometimes all someone needs is a simple check-in from a real human, not a robot, not an alarm that gets ignored. That tiny reminder can literally change someone's entire day. This job is perfect for people who are naturally calm, patient, and friendly. You don't need to be in the medical field. You don't need certifications. You don't even need a fancy setup. If you can communicate clearly and show empathy, you're already ahead. Students, stay-at-home parents, people doing night shifts, carers, anyone who wants a low-stress role. This is one of the few online jobs where your personality is the qualification. Now let's break down what you do in a typical session. You log into the platform. Most companies have a dashboard where schedules, reminders, and client details are shown. You send reminder messages or calls, usually short, friendly reminders like, "Hi, just a quick check in, it's your 6 p.m. time." You record completion. The platform will ask if the person confirmed they took it or not. You follow the script. Companies give you the exact wording, so you're never improvising medical information. That's it. You're helping them stay consistent, but you're not responsible for medical outcomes. So to keep this YouTube friendly and clear, let me tell you what this role is not. You're not a nurse. You don't handle emergencies. You don't suggest medications. You don't give advice. You don't manage private medical details. This is a supportive role. Think of it like a structured reminder system with a human touch. Now, let's talk about legitimate platforms that offer medical reminder or wellness check roles. And please remember, availability changes, so always check the official website. Number one is CareLinks. CareLinks hires remote care companies who provide wellness check-ins, appointment reminders, and light virtual support. The second one is Papa. Papa hires remote companions called Papa Pals who provide wellness calls, reminders, and friendly support for older adults. The third company is Care or Ayambisa. This platform allows remote care assistants to make schedule wellness check-ins and reminders from anywhere. And the fourth company is local care agencies. Some local care agencies in the US, UK, and Canada hire remote wellness check workers. So always search remote wellness reminder jobs or virtual companion roles. Now, here's the part most people love. This job can be fully flexible. Some companies let you set availability in blocks. Others let you pick tasks as they show up. A few let you only work evenings or early mornings. This is perfect if you want something that works around your life instead of your life bending around the job. Let's be real. This job isn't for everyone. If you get easily tired of talking to people, it might not fit. If you struggle with communication, you may find it challenging. If you want fast-paced tasks, this isn't for you. But if you love simple work, if you love helping people, and you want a job that flows with your day instead of controlling it, then this role is honestly one of the most underrated remote opportunities out there. If you're gaining something from this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop in the comments what you think about this role. Applying is simple. Visit the official website of the company. Search remote companion or virtual wellness reminders. Fill out your basic profile. Do the quick personality interview and wait for approval. These companies hire based on communication, reliability, and empathy, not degrees. So yes, you don't need a degree for this job. Now, imagine this. You sitting comfortably at home, sending a message that keeps someone's day on track. A role that's simple, meaningful, and flexible enough to fit into any lifestyle. Most people scroll past opportunities like this because they think everything online is complicated. But this one isn't. It's calm, it's structured, and most importantly, it's real. If you found this video useful and you want more hidden work from home roles like this, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Trust me, this is another job people have no idea exists. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.